wait till y'all hear what I paid. Shocking. We got it back. Well, got it back together. Fixing to run it for a little test drive, see how she sounds. See how she drives. See if it's making that noise. Let's see. Gotta adjust my seat. The clutch feels amazing. They put the Eaton Easy Clutch in it. I'm gonna have to get used to that clutch. That clutch, I have to say, the clutch is amazing. I mean, it's like, I don't know. It's like stepping on a memory foam pillow. Has gone away, and that's all due to the pilot bearing, of course. Got me a new fidget spinner. I'm keeping it as a souvenir. Bobtail, I don't have to be running Jakes, but the fifth wheel real quick. We'll get hooked up. And just wait till y'all hear what I paid. It's shocking. So, I could turn the AC on, I guess, but runs good. It don't make nowhere near the noise it was making before. Slow it down a little bit. A lot less vibration. Like I said, I'm sure the pilot bearing had a lot to do with that. So, I'm happy with it. There's still just a little bit of a whine, but like it almost sounds normal now. It's not that annoying whine like it used to. So like I said, I think the throwout bearing and the pilot bearing had a lot to do with that noise. But when I get back to the house, I'll go over with y'all on what it cost me. Y'all are gonna be shocked. It's so freaking expensive. I'll let y'all in a little bit. So, if you're ready to find out what I paid, here it is. I'm sure y'all couldn't see that. So, I'll explain it to you. So, everything we had done to the truck, hold on one second. Sorry guys. Everything we had done to the truck, rear main seal. Oh, it looked like there was a scratch on the deal. Rear main seal, clutch brake, pilot bearing, flywheel turn, new clutch fork, new isolator bushing for the transmission, the shifter, and a few other little things. But all in all, out the door, $1,876.10. So it's got a Eaton easy clutch in it. That was $688.72, and the clutch brake was $28.56, and a gasket for $479. Everything else I bought, I paid I think $68 for the rear main seal. I think the pilot bearing was $14. And then the clutch fork, the oscillator bushing, and that cover that goes over the bearing on the input, the bearings for the input shaft. I bought all that the other day. That was $88. So all in all, out the door, right at about 2,050 bucks, something like that. But as far as what he charged me, it was $1,080 for labor and $722 for the clutch and clutch brake. So there's still honest mechanics out there. Just to pull the, normally from what I've heard from everyone else, just to pull the transmissions generally around $1,400. And then clutches, I'm guessing he gets them because he buys so many of them. So he gets them at a discount and he passes that discount on, because the off-brand clutch from Fleet Pride was like $780, right at $800. An Eaton clutch from Freightliner was like $1,100. And I'm getting an Eaton clutch from him for $688.72. So yeah, I feel like I come out smelling like a rose for everything that was done. So I'm happy. I'm happy. So we'll be getting back on the road Monday and hitting it hard. And then I am going to be doing, I was going to go ahead and do a trailer for trailer, a title for title swap on another trailer that y'all might have seen in a short that I posted. But that'll happen when I come back, because that's going to take me about 4 days to get ready. As far as getting my 2290 KYU number, registering, I got to go have that trailer inspected, get it registered in my name, and up my portion on the truck from 54,000 up to 72,000. So that'll be happening next month, here in about 3 weeks, 4 weeks, when I come back home. So that's gonna be it's gonna be exciting. I'm ready to be able to haul some more weight, make it a little easier on me. So that's about it, guys. Truck's done. I still have to fix the fuel issue. It still did it to me again, but I'm pretty sure it's that check valve on the fuel pump. So I'll get that replaced this weekend before I get on the road, get the O-ring changed, and that fuel water separator and that fitting changed, and we should be good. If not, I don't know, I'll have to do some more digging, I guess. But anyway, we'll holler at y'all later. Like I said, I'll be putting out some driving footage and, you know, getting loads and stuff like that next week. So y'all get ready for that, and we'll holler at y'all later. Y'all have a good one.